Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be making what some would consider a side dish and others would consider a dessert. I'll be making sweet potato casserole with marshmallows. In the comment section down below, let me know if you enjoy eating this as a side dish or as a dessert. Here is the list of ingredients that I'll be using. I have 4 to 5 medium-sized sweet potatoes, which I did peel and dice. I'll be using 5 tablespoons softened, unsalted butter. I have 4 tablespoons for the filling and 1 tablespoon to grease the baking dish. I'll also use 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 cup of mini marshmallows. I placed the diced sweet potatoes in a pot of water and I allowed this to boil for about 20 minutes or until the sweet potatoes can be easily pierced with a fork. After the sweet potato is done cooking, I'll drain it and add it to a mixing bowl. I'll add the salt, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, ground clove, vanilla extract, as well as the unsalted butter. Using a hand mixer, I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. After, I'll add the milk as well as 1 egg, and I'll mix until the sweet potato is nice and smooth. While I'm using 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to grease the baking dish, I'm going to preheat the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I add the sweet potato filling into a greased baking dish. I'll be using a pie dish. I'll top the sweet potato filling with mini marshmallows. I'll place this in an oven that was preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll allow this to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the mini marshmallows are golden brown. If you've made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed to A Taste of K here on YouTube, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget, you can also share with your friends and family. Now here is the finished product of the sweet potato casserole with marshmallows. Allow this to cool for a few minutes before digging in because it is piping hot. Now don't forget to let me know in the comments section down below if you like to eat sweet potato casserole with marshmallow as a side dish or as a dessert. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next one.